Hi everyone, it's George here, and today I'd like to make a video showing you a new update Nokia released by the name of Nokia Belle for Nokia N8, Nokia C7, Nokia E7, and I think other Nokias for from that generation. Anyway, I already went ahead and updated my phone. I was on a Nokia Anna, and now it's Nokia Belle. Actually, it's all Symbian, but Nokia doesn't want to, call it Symbian anymore, so it's now only known as Nokia Belle. The update went relatively pain-free. It was quite a smooth update, although not all the settings and not all applications got preserved. For example, this Cutebox application, which is a Dropbox application, a very nice application, did not get installed. The Screen Snap application didn't get installed, and a couple of other things like just email settings. Although contacts got transferred, messages got transferred, and other things as well, like map, bookmarks, and all of that. Anyway, let me show you what's new here. Well, as you see here, the first thing you will see is that the home screen has been changed. First of all, you get a status bar here. The widgets are now free shape. They can have any shape they want. The icons have been a little bit redesigned. So you get a status bar, and much like Android and Symbian, now you can roll it down. There you go. Looks very nice. It's quite responsive here. Just don't mind that I can't I'm looking through the camera, so just it is responsive. It's quite responsive. There you go. Here. So here you get you can enable and disable your mobile data. You can enable and disable your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth. You get silent profile here. Change it very easily. You can enable the general profile, your Wi-Fi, your mobile network. You also get your music, information here, and missed calls and all of that. I'll show you that in a second. If you notice, the way this rolls down is that it unwraps here. See, you get the data. It's a little bit different than what you get in iOS, for example. This is more reminiscent of Android. It's pretty much unwraps in front of you. And just for the comparison, let me show you how it is on the iPhone. Here on the iPhone, as you see, you drag the data down. Just this, all of it moves. But here, you unwrap it. Which one is better? Frankly, it's I would say there's not much of a difference. Just a small tiny difference. You get icons here for missed calls, your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything. You also get your time here. And let me show you a couple of widgets here. Just a second. We can add, and in this update, they've enabled you to add 6 home pages in total. Previously, in Nokia Anna, you could only have 3, if I'm not mistaken. So here it is, just 6 home pages, and you can add as many widgets as you want. Let's add a widget. You can add a widget, you can add a shortcut, you can also change a wallpaper, and you also get some new wallpapers here. For example, let's add analog clock. That's how it looks. Let's add what should we add? For example, you can add a single contact here. You can pick a contact you want from the list. Let's say contact 1, Chuck Norris. We can add contact favorites. This was present in Anna, where you can add multiple contacts into like a one bar. 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Contact 3. There. And it will add contacts, your favorite contacts, into the bar. I'm not sure actually if this scrolls. Doesn't seem like it scrolls. It used to scroll in Nokia Ana. And next, let's show you FM radio. That's how it looks. I don't have it connected. This doesn't move here, so let's show you another widget. What should we show you? Well, let's show you search widget. You can search the web, search on my phone. Let's say search. The keyboard is still a pain, as you can see. This really awkward keyboard. Contact 1. You have to actually tap it. That's the problem. You have to tap it to, get like details. So the search is frankly a bit, I would say, pretty useless. Let's remove this. And you can also reposition all the widgets. To do that is just you tap and hold, and you reposition them. You can move them to another page, and just to finish editing, you just tap anywhere else. That's how it works. What else have we got here? I think that's pretty much it. You just get this Wi-Fi on and off switch here, off and on. This shows you, I don't know if you see it here, number 10, which means there are 10 known Wi-Fi networks, not known, but 10 found Wi-Fi networks. I'll show you a couple more widgets here. You can switch your profile. You can also edit your profile here. What have we got? Well, pretty much, your standard widgets. You can also add a shortcut, of course. Shortcut to any application you want. For example, contacts or Qtbox. You can then drag this wherever you want to the predefined space, and when you're finished, that's how it edits. This button here now shows you menu. This button, and this button pretty much do the same thing. It's here. This is your call button. The call menu has changed a little bit. You get your predictive like numbers or just contacts or predictive smart search. So that's good. You can edit your home screen here, change a wallpaper. Let's change a wallpaper. You get some new wallpapers with Belle. Don't mind this. These are screenshots. And one of the new wallpapers you get is this one. Nice looking wallpapers, actually. I like this. You also get different wallpapers. Let's have a look. The response is very nice. It's responsive. It's pleasant to use. I think this is also new. So that's also a new wallpaper. Yeah, you get a couple of new wallpapers here. Generally, what's changed is that in most applications you get this bar here, which you didn't previously. So overall, I think I like this. It's much more helpful. Most of the applications got updated. I think majority of all applications got updated, if I'm not mistaken. Because they have all this. They all have this bar here present. You can drag this status bar from anywhere, but for example, if you are in a full screen somewhere, this doesn't work. So just to let you know, only works when the status bar is visible. And let me show you what's changed. So this is my setup pretty much, just using 2 pages. I like this clock. It's too bad that unlike Android, this status bar doesn't show you a date. You know, on Android, when you tap and hold, you get a date displayed here, and unfortunately, the Symbian, Nokia Belle doesn't show you the date. That's why I have to use this clock here to display this date. This widget is a calendar widget. This was present in Nokia Ana. It shows you like upcoming events. It's a little bit redesigned here. Next, we go into the music. Music has changed. Music player is pretty much the same though. You know, just you get this new bar, but other than that, it's the same. You don't get like the search is not available. You know, and a couple of other things are missing. So that's yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, let's play music and show you how it looks. The music control interface changed itself. Looks a little bit different here. Okay. Buttons look a little bit different. The bar looks a little bit different, and most importantly, they fixed syncing, which I'll show you in part 2 because I'm running out of time here. See you in part 2.